Using going to for predictions. He's going to win. It's going to rain. She's going to cry. It's going to snow. He's going to fall. He's going to quit. She's going to sing. She's going to call. She's going to laugh. She's going to smile. He's going to forget. He's going to forget. She's going to dance. He's going to be late. He's going to be angry. He's going to be tired. The dog's going to eat. The sun's going to set. They're going to visit. The cat's going to nap. They're going to laugh. He's going to run fast. The dog's going to bark. The cat's going to jump. The sun's going to rise. The sun's going to rise. The wind's going to blow. The cake's going to burn. The dog's going to sleep. She's going to need help. The snow's going to melt. She's going to be famous. The bus is going to stop. The oven's going to beep. The sun's going to shine. The movie's going to end. The storm's going to pass. The food's going to spoil. The baby's going to crawl. The baby's going to crawl. He's going to fix the car. The water's going to boil. The plant's going to grow. The phone's going to ring. The alarm's going to ring. The ice is going to crack. He's going to cook dinner. He's going to cook dinner. They're going to have fun. The fire's going to go out. They're going to eat lunch. The lake's going to freeze. The movie's going to start. The baby's going to giggle. They're going to go hiking. The soup's going to be hot. The store's going to close. They're going to celebrate. He's going to finish early. She's going to order pizza. She's going to read a book. She's going to read a book. The sky's going to be clear. He's going to find his keys. The train's going to arrive. He's going to learn quickly. She's going to win the race. She's going to wear a dress. They're going to leave soon. The baby's going to wake up. He's going to catch the bus. The stars are going to shine. She's going to buy a new car. She's going to pass the test. She's going to pass the test. The bird's going to fly away. He's going to make a mistake. He's going to write a letter. The music's going to be loud. The ice cream's going to melt. The computer's going to crash. He's going to spill his drink. They're going to win the game. The party's going to be great. He's going to get a promotion. She's going to draw a picture. The traffic's going to be bad. The movie's going to be scary. The movie's going to be scary. She's going to enjoy the trip. The weather's going to be hot. The car's going to break down. He's going to play the guitar. She's going to draw a picture. The show's going to be amazing. The bus is going to be crowded. The flowers are going to bloom. The meeting's going to be long. The concert's going to be loud. The fridge is going to be full. The homework's going to be easy. The food's going to be delicious. The food's going to be delicious. The meeting's going to start soon. The cat's going to climb the tree. The kids are going to play outside. The book's going to be a bestseller. The project's going to be successful.